Alright, so let me show you guys my vision board. It's beautiful, right? So we got the Salah, we got Alhamdulillah, and this is like, I want to be a little more organized and like alone when I work. You see right there. We got the printing labels, shipping labels for the brand I'm starting. This is, I want to film more and create more videos. We got Quran, the masjid, like reading Quran, healthy food. This is very important to me because this is all I eat. I only eat meat, egg, rice, cheese, like, and fruits, obviously. Gym. This shows like a little bit of solitude. I want to be alone a little more so I can reflect on what I'm doing. About chess, this symbolizes like I want to be more strategic with my day. I don't want to just waste it on whatever happens and whatever like useless stuff that happens. So I want to be more strategic. This, I like this image, that's why I put it here. And this, I want to write more letters. Right now my letters are in here, but yeah. And the middle one, obviously, Allah yuhibbul mutawakkilin. In the middle one, obviously, Allah loves those who trust Him. This just to remind me to trust Allah for everything around, everything here, to trust Allah. Whatever happens. But yeah, gotta take this thing off now. Like this has been on here for way too long. It's been like 5 years. Hey, what do you want? So I've decided to launch my clothing brand on the 1st of February, which is probably the first big project that I've ever worked on. And for the 1st of February, it's only for people that are on my email list. So if you're not in my email list, you won't get early access. And the actual drop for everyone else is on the 15th, but it might be sold out, I don't know. But I'm a little nervous to drop it because I've seen people dropping their clothes and getting like no sales, which is why I'm doing a pre-order drop. What that means is you guys will pre-order, and then once there's roughly 30 people that bought, and then I'll ship it out. And to be completely transparent with you guys, it's probably gonna take around, I would say like 8 weeks total to ship. But this is a special piece. I am not gonna drop it again. Like, I'm not gonna drop this specific hoodie again, ever again. It's gonna be just very exclusive for my first ever drop.
How am I supposed to do work? And I asked for cheap screen printing, and they gave me this fancy embroidery. I swear they're trying to make me go broke. I guess if you want one, join the email list. Someone please tell me how my manufacturing is.
So yeah, that's what I've been doing. I've been just making videos kind of promoting my clothing brand. Inshallah, everything works out, everyone is interested. I've got this is a funny comment. Oh, the last fall wasn't necessary. Okay, so now I'm measuring how big this is so I'm able to ship it out. And then also I need to get a customized bag because this doesn't look good. So I'm measuring that right now, and I'm trying to order like more bags like this. So I'm getting new gear right now. Look at this store. But yeah, I'm getting a camera clamp so I can get like better unique angles. I'm not sure if they have it. They're looking for it right now, but I cannot even tell you how scared I am right now. Let me show you guys. It's on this one singular clamp and it can fall any moment. But I think it's pretty sturdy. I can't lie. It's pretty nice. Okay. I'm so scared. I've officially unlocked a new angle. This is scary. Oh my god. But yeah, new angle unlocked. I just said in my video, my happy wasn't happy about my decision. This is about a revert story. So I know it's been a little bit since I've posted, but this is what I've been working on. Give me a second. This, like the website that I'm working on, and just kind of like the product photos and everything, and then just how the layout looks. And I'm basically finished. It's just that I need to figure out the shipping problem. There's a problem with the shipping that it won't ship to it won't ship internationally, and I'm trying to figure out how I can fix that. And also what I've been working on is just videos on Instagram. Like you guys can see, I have a lot of videos planned. You guys can see all these like videos that I've been posting. And also for Yusra, I've been just posting. Yeah. Okay, I didn't show you guys this, but I finally finished the website, and the shipping issue is working now. Like it's fine now. Alhamdulillah. It took me like an hour, 2 hours to figure this out. Everything's working now, alhamdulillah. And like since around 3 I've been just reciting Quran and kind of doing other work. But now I'm gonna go to the gym. I haven't ate yet since yesterday night, and it's right now 4 p.m. and I'm gonna go to the gym with no food in my stomach, but it's okay. Inshallah, I'll get some food later. على جبين سعادتي وأفكاري تجري الحروف بأشواق وأزهار هذه يا قد سرت للسعد في أمل تروي الجمال بأن. Okay, so I haven't been outside for the past week. After my exam, I've been just at home working and doing Quran. Actually making a lot of progress, alhamdulillah, but I just haven't been outside going to the gym and like anywhere else except at home. Is it exposed properly? I don't know. But I finally finished my website, which is really good, alhamdulillah. I'm releasing it on February 1st for the people that are on my email list, inshallah, and people that are not on my email list, it'll be on the 15th, and I hope it sells out, inshallah. What else? Oh, now I'm just going to the lake so I can get some air, because I haven't been outside and it's like I haven't seen the sun in a while. It's a lot of work to do, but kind of been slacking a little bit, just a little bit. Is this not a crazy shot? Do you guys see this? It's frozen. I'll show you guys. Look at that. It's all frozen. Wait, look. Are they also frozen? There's no way. It's windy. This shot might be a little blurry because it just came home, but I feel like a social autist these days. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, I feel like I forgot how to talk to people because I've been just locked away working all day. I feel like I don't know how to talk to people yet, and I think I need to get back to socializing more, inshallah. But now I need to finish my work. Okay, so we finally got a website domain, and now we officially launched the website, alhamdulillah. And I posted like a story on my Instagram, and also like this kind of story, but you guys can see. Alright, let me just but now I'm just writing an email to all the people that are on my email list, and then give you them early access, obviously. But yeah, this is like, it's actually pretty cool. I like this. And the store, we got the domain finally. And it's just one product, but it's not sold out. But let me show you. Beautiful, right? But I'm gonna be launching on the 15th of February, inshallah. But for the people that are on my email list, like I said before, February 1st, which is tomorrow, right? No. Okay, it's 2 days from now, inshallah. So today is Sunday, the 2nd, and yesterday was February 1st. Yesterday I gave out the password officially to the people on my email list, and I didn't expect anyone to buy from my clothing brand, to be honest. Like when I sent out that email, I know my followers would buy, but like not on my email list. But yesterday, while I was working, I saw this notification. Alhamdulillah, I got one order, my first ever order, and it's only the beginning. Alhamdulillah for everything. And I just wanted to remind you guys that all success comes from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And do not become arrogant and say that you got everything by yourself, because Allah can take it away in a second. But yeah, no, I'm super excited. It's on pre-order right now. Inshallah, I get all the other supplies soon. I'm so excited. Like, I even got these like shipping labels ready to go. I don't even have the printer yet. But alhamdulillah for everything. I'm gonna go back to work now. I'll be completely transparent with you guys. I spent around, I think around $500 in the past few days just on like samples for my clothing brand, bags, and a shipping label printer. Like alhamdulillah, I'm able to spend those money because Allah has blessed me with the wealth that I want. And to end this video, I just wanted to talk about how you should be grateful for whatever Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given you, because if you're grateful, Allah surely 100% will give you more than what you expect. And if you want to start a big project and you're not sure of it, just start it, because if it's good for you, Allah will give it to you. If it's not, then Allah will take it away from you. But alhamdulillah for everything. But yeah. And yeah, last thing is, if you want to join a small community that I've started on Discord where Muslims help each other grow, just click the link in my bio and make sure to join my email list, because I'll be posting a lot of stories and lessons that I've learned that I don't talk about on this channel, and it's going to be very exciting. So inshallah I'll see you there. Assalamu alaikum.